Welcome to the Shady place. In this episode, we visit Colorado Springs, take a stroll through Garden of the Gods, and hike to the top of Mays Peak. I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Thoretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country.
Good morning! So we got all of our to-dos done last night. It took us pretty much all day doing laundry and everything like that. We ended up on the side of the highway last night. Got a beautiful view this morning. Today is going to be a wee bit of a switch of plans. A friend of ours, actually, that we know from Virginia, actually lives in Colorado. And Thoretta, I don't know if you guys remember Hubble when we got that flat. She was like, I don't charge for flats, so... Well, it wasn't flat, but it was leaking, so... It wasn't flat.
Pretty much.
Okay. Oops. But today we are going to do a tire rotation. Shay really wants to, rotate the tires for manly reasons, who knows.
Yeah, well, the fronts are wearing weird because I think there's a lot of weight on the back of the motorcycle, so the front tires are wearing like on the outsides a lot faster than they are on the insides. So we're going to take those, put those on the back, and take the ones on the back and put those on the front.
Yeah. So our friend is going to be helping us out on this one. He's a mechanic at a dealership, so thank you! And then after that, we're going to try to check out Garden of the Gods either tomorrow or the next day or something like that. We'll figure it out. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna take care of Thoretta and then hang out with our friend for a little bit, and then coffee. We are gonna go do the tire thing for Thoretta today, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna go chill at a dog park, right?
Yep.
Just for a couple hours until the afternoon, and then we'll do Thoretta, and then we're gonna go
Gold Camp Road.
Yeah.
See, I'm not sure if we're hiking or we're driving or I don't know what we're doing, but
our friend is kind of leading us this direction, so after we get our tires and stuff done, we'll know more about that. But so that will be our day. That's where we slept last night. Looks like we arrived at the park and Rusty is excited. Rusty is gonna have a ball here. There's Thoretta. We're gonna go ahead and let him explore and sniff a little bit. This is an awesome dog park. Like, we've never been able to have Rusty roam free like this. This is awesome. Today is his day. Every time we know Rusty's having a good time with dogs, he grows. It's slobber, but it looks like a little mini Santa beard. See if he'll cooperate. Rusty, come here. Come here, buddy. Let's see what Rusty's got. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Come here, Rusty.
come here. Come on.
He doesn't like the tube. You can do it. Good boy. Go on.
Treat.
Go on.
Treat.
Go on. Rusty, come here. Rusty, come here, honey. Come here. Here. Come on, this way, buddy. Come on, this way. Good boy. All right, one more trick. Let's try the hoops. I think that does it for a little dog park fun. We're gonna go ahead and head back to Thoretta, and we actually know someone that lives in this area from Virginia. He is gonna help us out with Thoretta. She needs her tires rotated, so we're gonna go ahead and head over to his place to do that. It took pretty much the rest of the evening yesterday to do Thoretta's tire change, or tire rotation, sorry. So after that was done, we kind of just, it was really nice. We went to a local place and we got some vegan food and just kind of chilled with our friend. It was really fun. So today, we're going to wait for our friend to get off of work, and we are going to head up that gold camp place that we were talking about yesterday, and we're going to do that today after Garden of the Gods. Garden of the Gods is supposed to be really short. You just kind of do a little walk around. It wouldn't take that long. So I'm excited for Thomas's adventure. I think that would be a little bit more rugged. Right.
Back at our overnight spot.
Yeah, the same one we were at.
Yeah, there's not a lot of places to stay in Colorado Springs, so this was like right outside of Colorado Springs. We just kind of sleep here and then go there for the day.
Yeah, Camping World is right down the way there.
Yeah.
But we're heading to Garden of the Gods. Looks like we made it. All right.
Made it to the Garden of the Gods. Woo! Sorry about the construction in the background.
Resties allowed, which is always nice. Colorado Springs is very, very dog friendly, so loving that.
Here we have South Gateway Rock, North Gateway Rock, and White Tower, if you can see it behind the trees.
Oh, it's a little hidden. We'll have to get better view on the White Tower. Having fun exploring. Well, that was fun. We've just been wandering around.
Yeah, we went on a couple of trails, a couple little climbs, and then yeah, I guess now we're gonna go back to the RV and we're gonna drive around.
Yeah.
Take a big loop around here.
Please enjoy the scenic drive through Garden of the Gods. Enjoyed our scenic drive-through. Jupiter's beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and head to Gold Camp try to find a trail nearby, and we're gonna meet up with our friend Thomas. All right, so we made it to Gold Camp. Introducing Thomas! Local Colorado Springs dude is gonna show us around. How's it feel not driving, Shay?
Pretty cool. Is this what you do all the time?
Pretty much. Let's go explore.
And we're going up. Let's go.
Let's go.
So as we see here, we got a bunch of erosion going on. There's some cool little rocks in here. It looks like big pieces of quartz and stuff like that. But all this erosion coming down the mountain from water.
So we're gonna go up this mountain, huh, Thomas?
We are.
Oh, God. Let's do it.
All right, we are going to top Mays Peak. It'll give you a nice little 360 view when you get up there. How you doing back there, Katie?
It's tough, but it's fun.
You see the moon over here? Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Oh, look at her.
Head up to the top. Yeah. I found a little Christmas tree. It got all decorated.
That was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Like, lots of fun. It was tough, man. It was tough getting up the mountain, but it's
Yeah,
always
go.
worth it. Like,
It got a little steep there at the end.
yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna head back down now.
Mm-hmm.
Go back.
To Thoretta, and
Yep.
then I don't know where we're gonna go to sleep tonight, but we'll figure it out. It'll be fine.
Mm-hmm.
Always fun. We had a fun time in Colorado Springs, most definitely.
Yep.
All right, you ready, Shay?
Yep.
You ready, Thomas?
Let's do it.
Yay! All right, let's go.
Go, Rusty. Alright, we're heading back to the RV.
We finish our tour with Colorado Springs. All right, so we are leaving Colorado Springs. We went to Denver just for a quick second, and now we're leaving Denver. Where are we
Yep.
going?
We're going to Red Cliff, Colorado. It's a bit west of Denver, a little past Frisco. Yeah, we're gonna go camp there for the weekend, and we're gonna stop and get water and dump on the way.
Cool. That sounds fun. It was fun exploring the city, but it's nice to go back in the woods away from the city for a while.
Yeah.